Hey y'all, Sam here, and you know what time it is. Glossy box unboxing time! Glossy box unboxing time! So today I have the August Glossy box, which I'm super excited because it's really early in the month. It's only, what, the 7th? If you're not familiar with Glossy Box is $21 a month. It is a monthly beauty subscription. They have a lot more skincare than makeup items, but it's more like skincare, hair care, and makeup. So here is the box for August. It's super cute. It is definitely a beach themed. Inside the box it says, "Beach please." I have to say this box is super duper cute. Last month's box was really cute as well. However, mine got lost in the mail and I didn't get it until like 2 days ago. So y'all didn't get to see me unbox that, but I'm sure you saw someone else. The first thing on top of my box this month is introducing SETZ with a Z. And this looks like it is an oil and shine, like disposable blotting powder. So they gave me 3 of these. We're gonna go ahead and open one up and check this thing out. I did just get off of work, so I am kind of a little bit oily right now. Well, let's be real. So here is what the pad looks like. It is actually like a foam, kind of like a beauty blender type material. And on the back you see a white dot. That is your powder. And magically it's kind of staying there. So I guess you just dip this in the powder and then you set your face. All right, we're gonna dab it here in the powder and blot my face. It smells like rubbing alcohol. I think the pad is what smells like alcohol, or that's what they use to set the powder. Could be what they used to set the powder to where it wouldn't like move around in the packaging. All right, actually, I think this worked pretty well. I definitely feel like I look a lot less shiny. It actually feels really nice. It feels like a soft setting powder. If you are someone that's like a real beauty guru and you go to like a lot of events, I can see this being like super handy. Okay, so I had to look at the pamphlet to see how much these things cost because I think they're actually pretty cool, but considering the quality of it, I figured it might be kind of expensive. And for 5 packs, it's only $3.99. So really that's not that bad. That's like $1 a pack. I could see me purchasing these if I was going on a special trip, something like that. It's not something I would use every single day, just because $3.99 a week would kind of add up. But this is really interesting. I'm pretty excited about this. So the next item in my box this month is a Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox. So this is an exfoliating pre-wash. So you're supposed to wash your hair with it before you use shampoo, and it's just supposed to do wonderful things for your hair, girl. Like a wonderful. I've never used something like this, so I'll give it a shot. The full size of this retails for $34. This is half, so I mean, I guess it's worth at least $15. So the next item I got in my box is a skincare item, and this is from REN Clean Skincare, and it is a Young and Beautiful Instant Firming Beauty Shot. So the full size of this retails for $56. Wow, that's a pricey product. It says that it is like a shot of beauty to your skin. It's supposed to help firm and make you look more youthful. It has a safety seal in it. We're gonna go ahead and pop it off because I want to see if it smells like anything. It does smell like rose. Next we have a nail polish from NCLA Los Angeles, and this is in the color I've Been Drinking. This is a very pretty like pink corally kind of color, so I am excited about that. It matches the inside of the box beautifully. Next we have an eye cream, definitely a heavy skincare box this month. And this is from MONU Skin, and it is a Line Soothing Eye Cool Gel. So this is definitely not a full size. The full size retails for $30, and the full size is 1 fluid ounce, and this is 15 milliliters. Okay, so I just squared a little bit out here to see what it looks like, what it smells like. It is a nice gel texture, just like they said. It has a kind of a yellow tint to the gel. It's definitely not going to show up on your skin though. Smell wise, it smells very herbally. I just can't pinpoint what that smell is. Okay, so putting it on my hand and blowing on it, I'm definitely getting that cooling sensation. Stuff like this is really great for pulling out that puffiness underneath your eye. It also says that you can put it in the fridge for an extra cooling effect. This is from VDL, and this is an Lumilayer. That is a really weird word to say. An Lumilayer Prime Fresh. So I'm guessing it is like a primer for layering stuff. Alright, so this looks like a nail polish to me. It's definitely in a glass nail polish jar. So let me look at the paper before I stick this on my hand. Okay, so after looking at the paper, this is definitely a face primer. There is no like brush to use it like a nail polish. But the lid has a spot that the brush could go on. This is totally a nail polish. Weird packaging choice. So to get the product out, you're going to have to dab it on the back of your hand like this. And it is just a luminizing primer, so we're going to rub it in. It doesn't really smell like anything. It kind of makes me think of like unscented Mary Kay products where it just smells a little off. There is the luminizer on my hand. It feels hydrating, it feels moist, but it isn't gonna like be like a highlighter. It's just to give your natural skin a little glow look. This retails for $10. I opened it last because I saw this pretty black box and I thought, ooh, this is probably kind of expensive. Yeah, no, it's one of the cheapest things in the box. And it's a little weird. The packaging's just weird to me. To put a face cream and a nail polish, I could see me picking this up and going to paint my nails with it and be like, crap, this is not a nail polish. So here are all the products that I got again in this month's box. We got a nail polish. We got a hair scrub or scalp scrub. We got a cooling eye gel, a face shot for your skin, a Lumilayer primer. This box is just okay to me. I feel like I wish that there was at least one makeup item in here. It was just a little too heavy on the skincare for me. But we'll try these products out. Sometimes you find the best products you would have never thought about using. You never know. I might try out this primer under my foundation and be like, wow, where's this been my whole life? I'm not sure that's going to happen, but you never know. So, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love for you to join the Glamslam family. And until next time, bye y'all.